I will introduce how to make a Y2 array soldering program. At first, move cursor up down. Move cursor to the Y2. Drag the begin point. Press move 2. Yeah, like this. Then move the cursor to line record. Press up down. Then press melee 1 to move the cursor to array. Press enter. The same with YE program. Choose 2 method. Choose 2 method 2. Or written shape. This because this signature just the 2 written shape. One is horizontal, 2 is horizontal, 2 is vertical. We select 2 vertical. Press down to column. We have 2 column, 1, 2. So press 2. Press down. 2 row. We have 4 row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So press 4. The same with YE. Then press down. Press down to horizontal location. Like YE. Hold the soldering home. Press X. Press X to find the horizontal location of beginning drag soldering. Then press enter to vertical location. Now move the soldering home to find the vertical location. Press X, Y, Z. This is final vertical location. Choose the drag beginning soldering point. Like this. Please note, all soldering home must touch the soldering pad and in the middle of soldering pad. Then press enter to confirm a file vertical location. Press enter. To every core, always choose one address. Then to address. This address is Y2. Drag beginning soldering point. Press down. Y2 drag beginning soldering point is you can say it's 0042.